In the earlier session we discussed about the properties of the whole numbers. In that we discussed the closure property, commutative property, associative property, and then we discussed additive identity and the multiplicative identity and division by zero. Now based on these properties we are going to discuss exercise 2.2. Now see the first question. Here what the question says here, without doing these calculations you have to say the answers by using this one. Here they have given 28 into 19 is equal to 532. Then 19 into 28 is equal to how much they are asking here. Now here you can observe that here they have given 28 into 19. Here they changed their order. In place of 19 they have written 28. In place of 28 they have written 19. So here by this we can say that by using the which property this one. If you consider any two numbers, if you multiply those two numbers, if you change their order, you have to get the same result. That property is called the commutative property under multiplication. Based on that, we can say here 28 into 19 is equal to 532. Then we can say that 19 into 28 is also equal to 532. Now see the next one. 1 into 47 is equal to 47. Then 47 into 1 is also equal to 47. By using multiplicative identity, because if you consider any number, if you multiply that one any number, you have to get the same number. Which number you have to multiply here? 1. That one we call it as a multiplicative identity. Now see the next one. A into B is equal to C. Then what is the value of B into A, which is also equal to C? The same thing they have given the first, which is nothing but the commutative property under multiplication. Here they have given A into B. Here they have given B into A. Just they change their order. Now see the next one. 58 plus 42 is equal to 100. Again here they change the order 42 plus 58. But here they have given the operation addition. So here by using the commutative property under addition, we can say that the value of 42 plus 58 is also equal to 100. Now see the next one. 85 plus 0 is equal to 85. Then 0 plus 85 is equal to how much? Which is equal to 85. By using which identity? Additive identity. You know that if you consider any number, you have to add one number such that you have to get the same result. Which number you have to add it here? Which is nothing but 0. That 0 we call it as an additive identity. Now see the last one. A plus B is equal to D. Again here they changed the order. They asked B plus A. What is the value of B plus A? Which is equal to D by using commutative property under addition. Here without doing the calculation we have solved the problem by using the properties of the whole numbers. Now see the second question. Here what the second question says here, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. You have to rearrange this one and after that you have to find this answer. 238 plus 695 plus 162. This is the question given here. By rearranging this order you have to solve this answer. What is the question given here? 238 plus 695 plus 162. You have to add these numbers by rearrangement. So here you have to observe here which numbers you need to add such that you have to get the ones digit as 0. Here you can observe that 8 plus 5 is not 0, right? But if you add 8 plus 2, you are getting 0. Then the calculation will become easier. So how we can rearrange this one? 238. We have to change this order. In place of 695 plus 162, we are writing 162 plus 695. Just we change in this order and we have written this one. After adding these three and after adding these three, we will get the same result. But for simpler calculation, we are rearranging this one into this form. Now here, add these two values. What is the value of 238 plus 162? 8 plus 2, which is 10. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, which is 10. And again 2, 3, 4. You are getting here 400 plus 695. Now here you can observe that the calculation will become easier here at this point. Now here you need to add 695 plus 400. What is the value of 695 plus 400? Which is nothing but here at last what is there? 5, 9 and 10. Right? If you want to calculate, you can do it 695 and 400. So if you add, what you will get? 5, 9, 6 plus 4, which is 10. So it is very easy after arranging this one into the order. Now see the next question. In the second question they have given one more option, 154 plus 197 plus 46 plus 203. Again we have to rearrange this one, and after that we have to simplify this expression. So here just check, if you add two numbers you have to get here the ones digit as 0. So here 7 plus 4, which is not 0. So here you can observe that 6 plus 4, which is 0. So write it here 154. Just change this order. So write here 46 plus 197. Just here 197 plus 46 is there. I have written 46 plus 197 by using the commutative property. Now what is the number left out? 203. Again here you can observe that 7 plus 3 is 10. Now here add these two and add these two. What will get? 144 plus 46. 154 plus 46. You know that 6 plus 4, which is 10. Here 5 plus 5, 10. You are getting 200. Now here this one added here 7 plus 3, which is 10. 9 plus 1, 10 and 400. What is the value of 200 plus 400? Which is 600. See, it is very easy after arranging this one. Now here if you want to add by the normal addition, you can add it. What you will get here? 6 plus 4, 10. 5 plus 5, 10 and 200. Like this you can solve it. Now see the third question. The same thing they have given. You have to rearrange and you have to find the product. Before question they have given addition. Here they have given multiplication. Again check here. The ones digit you have to get as 0. Here 5 into 3, which is 15, you are not getting here. But 5 into 4, which is 20. So we can change this order. So write it 25. In place of 1963 into 4, write it 4 into 1963. Now you know that 25 into 4, which is 100. 100 into 1963. What is the value of 100 into 1963, which is nothing but 196300. This is the answer. Just you have rearranged this pattern. So here 25 into 4, which is 100. You know that 1963 into 1 is 1963. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. At last keep 2 zeros here. Now see the next question. Into 255 into 50 into 6. Again, how do you change this order here? You know that 0 into 0 is 0. So you can write here 20 into 50 into 255 into 6. So here in place of this one we have changed this order by using the commutative property under multiplication. So here solve this one. What is the value of 5 into 2, which is 10? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So what is the value of 20 into 50, which is 1000? Now here into calculate this one. What is the value of 5 into 6? 30. 0, 3. 5, 6, 30. Plus 3, which is 33. 6 to the 12. Plus 3, which is 15. Right? And after that now you need to solve this one, which is very easy. You know that 1530, that is 1530 into 1 is nothing but 1530. How many zeros left out here? 3 zeros. So how do you solve this one here? You got it here 1530 into 1000. So here if you got like this, just multiply the number leaving the zeros. So what is the value of 1530 into 1, which is nothing but 1530. Now how many zeros are there here? 3 zeros are there. Keep last 3 zeros. This is the value of this one. Now like this you need to solve the problem. Now see the fourth question. Fourth question. Find the value of this following. In that first question, 368 into 12 plus 18 into 368. Here one more problem is given that you can do in the same way. Now see this problem. Here you can observe that here 368 is there, here also 368 is there. You can take the 368 common. If you take the 368 common here, what is the number left out here? Here 12 is there and here plus, and here what is the number left out here? 18. So here by using which property we have written this one? By using the distributive property we have written this one. So here how we have written again? Here 368, here 368 is there. Among this one you have to check which number is the same. Here since 368 is the same number, here also there, you can take that number common. After taking that number common, what is the number left out here? 12 is there plus 18. Now you need to add what is there in the brackets. So what is the value of 12 plus 8? 12 plus 18, which is nothing but 30. Now multiply 368 with 30. How do you solve? If you have number in the form of the number that ends with 0, just multiply 368 with 3. At last keep 0. So what is the value of 8 3s? 24, and again 6 3s are 18, 19, 20, 0 2, 3 3s 9 plus 2, which is 11. So how many zeros left out here? 1 0. Again, how do you solve this problem? Just you need to check which number is common here. Take 368 common. What is the number left out here? 12 is there plus 18. Now solve what is there in the brackets first. So here what is the value of 12 plus 18? Which is nothing but 8 plus 2, which is 10, 0, 1 and 30. So here in place of this one write 30. Now you need to multiply these two values. So after multiplication you will get this answer. Now similarly you can solve the next problem. Now see the fifth question. Fifth question, 205 into 1989. Similarly, one more question is there that you can do it as an homework. Now here they ask find this product using this suitable properties. By using the suitable property, you need to find this value. So here you can write this 205 as 200 plus 5, because if you add 200 with 5, what you are getting here? You are getting 205. So write this 205 as 200 plus 5. Right? You can write this one. And what is the number left out here? 1989. Now by using the distributive property, how you can write this one here? Just multiply this 200 with 1989. So writing here 200 into 1989, 1989 plus 5 into 1989. How we have written this one? Here, what we have done here, decided in the question without doing the actual multiplication. By using the suitable properties, you need to solve this product. So here, what we have considered here, we took 205, we have written that one as 200 plus 5. And after that, it is in the form of what? A into B plus C. Now, this A value we are distributing to both B and C. How we can write this one? We can write this one as A into B plus A into C. This is the formula for this one. By using this one, we are writing here. It is in the form of A into B plus C. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this number to both of these numbers. So we have written 1989 into 200 plus 1989 into 5. So we multiplied this 1989 to both of these numbers. Since addition is there, we have written in the middle addition. Now solve this one. What is the value of 1989 into 200? Similarly here there is just multiply with 2, and after that you can write zeros at the last. So here 9 2s 18, 8 plus 1, 8 to the 16 plus 1 17, and again 9 2s 18 plus 1 which is 19, 2 1s 2 plus 1 which is 3. So how many zeros left out here? 2 zeros, at last write 2 zeros. So what is the value of this one? 3 9 7 8 0 0. Now multiply 1989 with 5. So after multiplication, what you get here? Do it 1989. You have to multiply this number with 5. So what you get here? 9 5 is 45. Here 4 will get, and after that 8 5 is 40 plus 4 which is 44, and 9 5 is 45 plus 4 which is 49, and 5 1s are 5 plus 4 which is 9. So what you get here? 9945. So after calculation you will get this answer. Now what we need to do? We need to add these two numbers. So after adding these two numbers, what you get here? 0 plus 5 which is 5, and 0 plus 4 which is 4, and after that what is left out? 9 plus 8 17. Here you will get 1. 9 plus 1 which is again 17. Here you will get 10. 0 1. Here you will get 4, and you can do it here. What is the what we got here? 397800. You need to add this number with 9945. What you get? 0 plus 5 5 4, and you know that 9 plus 8 is 17, and 9 plus 1 which is 10 plus 7 17. 9 plus 1 10 4. So you got it here 407745. This is the answer. That means 4,07,745. So how do you solve this one? Without doing the actual multiplication, you need to solve this one by using the properties. So here we have written this 205 as 200 plus 5. By using the distributive property, we have distributed this 1989 to both of these numbers. So we multiplied 1989 with 200 and then with 5. And after multiplication and after adding, after doing the calculation, you will get the answer. And the next problem also you can do in the same way. In the next session, we are going to discuss the remaining problems.